Gamer and Sons
presents paper folding.
Ding. All right, talk to me. What are we doing today?
Paper folding.
Yeah, no, you just said that. What are we doing? We got paper.
We're making a.
You're not on the screen.
We're making.
You're not on the screen.
Hello. We're making a.
You're on. Hey, you're on mute. Cause Zoom.
Okay. We're making a water bomb.
How do you make a water bomb? Show me.
Like this. Wait.
Why are you shouting? We're right here.
So we're doing paper folding. We're gonna fold and make and vat a paper bomb. And we're kind of useful to throw people. Okay. So
Show me.
So first, we fold the paper like this.
Okay.
Triangle.
Yeah, great. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Keep up with us.
Then,
Yeah.
the remaining bits, you fold it onto a triangle.
Oh yeah. Okay, I got that. Yeah. Fold it over. Okay. Yeah.
And then you can
Yeah.
cut it off or.
Well, make sure the kids see you at home. What are you doing? What'd you do? You licked it. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's eating it. Like this.
Or you can cut it.
Oh, it's like I think envelopes. When you used to have to seal envelopes, you had to you'd lick the thing, and then you'd stick it.
Gross.
This tastes like acid and tree.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, you take it off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What did you think?
Oh, that's how you make a square. That's how
Yeah.
you make a square.
Yeah, we're making a square.
Oh, okay. Hey, everybody, we're making a square. Hang on, but if someone has a square piece of paper, they don't have to do that.
Huh?
If someone has a square piece of paper, they don't have to do that.
Yeah. So now
Yes.
you tighten that.
Yeah, tighten it up. You're gonna lick that as well?
No.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
we also tighten.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I saw that one. I saw that one coming. Okay, so fold the other way now.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have an X.
Tie.
You can have an X of folds, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now you open it. So when you're here, seriously, you fold it like this. So then it's like this. The triangle is down there, and then you put this down, and then it'll come out for you like just a triangle like that. And
Okay,
then
so it's like a more complicated triangle. Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah. So first,
Yeah.
and then
Okay, can I see? Can I see what you're doing? Try and fold
put-
what you're showing them.
that there.
Oh god, that's horrible. do you really it's not? Sorry.
And then fold the second one. You know this video isn't about farts.
Not that type of show.
Okay. So you do it, it comes out like this.
So, hang on. How did you get that? How'd you get that?
I folded both of these
Oh, yeah.
sides.
Yeah. Oh,
Into
Ian.
here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. I am
Yeah.
following this. Oh, can I see
And
what
then
I'm
you
doing?
do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, okay, cool.
So you know what to do already.
Oh, okay. I think we're getting pretty close. We're getting pretty close. Oh, you have to get pretty close now. Do you know that game? We used to have it. I mean, I'm sure we still. It's rope. It's not really having it. You get that rope and you have your two hands. And you cat's in the cradle, and you start making all the different. It's like different levels and stuff. Do you
Okay,
remember
I
that?
don't know that.
You do know that. We used to play it even last year. Like it really wasn't that long ago.
What's it called?
It was Cats in the Cradle. Do you remember this? Where you start off with the rope and you put it around hand and you like that and you make different patterns and then someone else comes and they
Oh,
grab it.
that! I remember that.
And we got pretty far. We got like 4th level.
So then you
Okay.
fold from this,
Yes.
these things to here, not both of them,
More?
only this.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Just one side?
No, both.
Wow.
This one, and then from the other side do the same thing. So it looks kind of weird. Like, basically like an emerald in Minecraft.
Yeah, it's like hey, there we go. Wait, who do it?
Okay. Doo-doo. Okay, then
Yeah. Oh my god.
you put both of these,
Okay, is this worth it? Yeah. Go on.
these,
Yeah.
in here.
Oh, I like that. This is the stuff I like. Things fold in, go in places. On all sides?
Huh? Yes.
Wow. Okay, cool. This is good. Okay, so you see? So,
And then we basically finished.
okay, this is great. It'll be worth it, yeah? So every single one you want to do? Like it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do it
Yeah.
8 times essentially.
What? No, 4 times. How?
Because 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other
No,
side.
not the ones on the top.
What? Okay, that was important.
And you can't even unfold.
Okay, so
those
just the ones at the bottom is
Yes.
what he's saying. Is what our clear teacher is telling us.
Yes.
Clear
Very
teacher.
clear.
How much do you tuck it in? Like really tuck it in?
No.
No? Okay, 1 second. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there we go.
You can like tuck it in as this much.
Sure.
Not that much.
Okay, so it's like what I'm doing. Okay, fine. That's
Yeah.
good. Yeah. How many of these have you made this week?
Probably 10
10.
more.
Wow. I think you have to show us how you make the boats as well, because the boats are kind of cool.
Boats are easy.
We skipped to level 5, friends.
Oh, you know,
We're doing a folding frenzy.
I did it on both of my sides, and now I'm gonna wait for him.
Yeah. As they say, the hare and the turtle, tortoise and the hare. What is it? Can I say something? What? The hare should have just finished the race. Why would you have a sleep?
Yeah,
during
it isn't realistic.
It's not realistic. If he thinks he was so fast, just finish the race and then have a rest at the end, and then when the tortoise walks in, say, "Where have you been?" Why would you rest halfway through? How long was the race? How long was the race anyway?
I know.
Okay.
Okay. Now, where it isn't folded, like on the top, you can look in, and there will be a hole.
Show the friends. Okay. What? I never hole. Like maybe I have a little one. Okay.
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No,
Go.
it's
Yeah.
just
Is it?
tiny.
That's fine. Go.
Okay, now
Yep.
you need scissors. So we're gonna come back at you
Oh.
and ta-dam! We are back and we got the scissors. What a mission. Okay, so where the hole is, as you see, there's a hole there. Where the hole is, you cut the hole a bit bigger. A tiny bit, like.
Oh.
Okay. Now
Why is there blood on that paper? Oh no, it was the red from the
Yes.
presents. Okay.
How did you see that?
Because I have really good eyesight.
So,
Okay, cool. Got it.
okay. Now, hole a bit bigger.
What does
A
that mean?
bit.
What does
Now
that
just
mean?
as much as mine was.
More. But why does it be so much?
You see. Okay.
Let's see what.
Now your hole is bigger, right, kids? Okay. Now
Who's watching this?
it
yeah.
is done.
Okay.
All you have to do is hold here,
Yeah.
put your hand here
Yeah.
to do this,
Oh yeah. Okay.
and then blow into the hole.
Are you ready? Switch it. More. Keep going.
Just blow it all the way up.
But then it's gonna. More of it. Wow, it's so cool.
And now you fill water in the hole.
How is water gonna fit? Water won't stay in there.
I did. I tried it. It actually stays somehow.
All right. Hey, respond back to us with videos of you doing this and filling it with water and throwing it at people. Yeah, do that. Cool. All right.
Don't forget to subscribe,
And
leave a like, ring the bell. Bye!